I attended the language matters workshops that was hosted by the Fernandez team here. The education set up how language matters, how simple things like inclusion, simple things like I'm here to support you, and how this is going to be the next change that we are looking at. They were enacting, they were not just giving theory, they were basically giving the real things that is happening and then the scenarios that could be improved. So in that way, we can compare and contrast, and it goes into the psyche of the people, and it was a beautiful experience. And they asked us to take oath. The oath that I took is that I will be a respectful maternity educator.
I'm a doula. So I work independently as a doula, and I was looking forward to this conference ever since before COVID, when it was supposed to happen, and then it happened online. So I attended online. I wanted to just come here, and I attended Language Matters. I just love that. That's why I chose that, because I really feel that, the language around the laboring women or anybody else is the most important thing that can make her feel comfortable. The consent is a very important part of a birthing process, is an experience, because that when things are being done to you versus when you decide, it makes a lot of difference.
The birthing positions workshop. It was a nice introductory session, but a lot of exploration to do by ourselves after this. Yeah. Yes, we were discussing with our other midwives how we can implement this, and because we're always used to doing some positions, but in the second stage, no, just lie down flat and do it. So we were discussing about how we should do it, but yeah, thoughts are not on yet.
I am international midwifery educator. I'm under UNFPA. It was very interesting. It was very interesting to add in some more knowledge. We know the things by maybe the books, and also we have our own way of doing things. Yeah, but after the workshop, at least we've learned how others are doing. So we've learned some of the things. We've also adopt some of the things and then incorporate them. As I said, I'm an international midwifery educator, so we teach midwives. So some of the skills that we've learned in that workshop, we use them in training our midwives. So that was very interesting, and that was very, very helpful for us.
We just attended Birthing Positions of Choice by Ms. Priyanka. It was a very good session, which was highly informative. We got to know the various birthing positions. We have been using just the lithotomy position as of now in our hospital. But with all this information, we would like to implement other things. Yes, it was very helpful and interactive also. That was the best part.
Yesterday, we had a visit to the Fernandez Hospital in Stockholm branch, and we were very impressed by the protocols that they're following and the level of organization that they have. So it's certainly there are a lot of things that we have learned from them, and maybe we can go back and implement the same at our center as well. And it has been a great learning experience for all of us. And the best part is that we are enjoying ourselves thoroughly.